Hi everyone, my name is Corey Lucino. I'm a developer advocate on the Ads Developer Relations team. Our goal today is to take a look at how to build a filtering phrase within the where clause using the Google Ads query language, GAQL. Let's break down any given filtering phrase here within the where clause. Let's break down how exactly that's built. So I'm going to clear everything here and just take a look at the where clause. I'm going to select segments.date. Now segments.date in this case is going to be our filter field. So this field is going to dictate what else can happen in this filter phrase. So this filter phrase is going to contain a filter field, a filter operator, and a filter value. You can see the filter operator is going to be dependent on the filter field's data type. So a date can have equal to, less than, greater than, between, during. There are many values that a date can have as its operator. You've seen equals. Let's go ahead and try during. Let's see what that looks like. So now that I've chosen during, which is a special operator for date fields, it's going to give me an option to choose a filter value. With the date data type and the during clause, we have built-in date ranges that you can choose that are a little bit special. So if I were to choose this dropdown, they're enums of different date ranges just to make it easier for you when you're choosing common date ranges like today, yesterday, last 7 days. That same functionality works with other enum types that aren't date. So if I were to choose add destination type, you're going to notice that add destination type now being our filter field, you notice the operators are equal to, not equal to, in, and not in. And that's because this only allows specific enums to be used, and those enums will appear in a drop-down list that you can choose from. So you can do an array compare with in, not in, or an equals to, not equals to. I'm going to say where add destination type is equal to App Store. And this filter value is now going to be the enum for App Store, and if I add this, you'll see that it shows up in quotes. And this is how we represent enums in the Google Ads query language. It's just important to note that there are different data types. There's numbers, there's strings, and each one has its own components for which operators are available, and it has its own validation on the data value as well. So something to keep in mind as you're working through validating your queries.